Hey, what's up there, JPAN GT? It's your boy Citizen Z again, aka Scruff McGruff, the guy who ain't shaved in about 8-9 months. We're doing a walk around video here of our 1980 Datsun 280ZX, which we will be selling here. We going to do a quick walk around, see what all she needs. She doesn't have any titles, she doesn't have any keys, but you can get a $15 quote order to have DMV give you a title in your name, or you can go the faster route, which is use the Vermont rule. You get Vermont title, they'll mail your title in your name to anywhere you live in the country. Take that title, transfer it over to your own state. Simple as that. Everybody's been doing it. It's perfectly legal. Yada yada yada. If you know, you know. If not, too bad, too sad. So anyway, let's check her out, see what else she needs, and if you want to get at us, you can email us directly at jpanggt@gmail.com. Again, that's JPAN, the number 0. I'm sorry, JPANGT, the number 0 and the number 1 at gmail.com. So let's check her out, figure out a price, and see that silver 280ZX on the other side of the parking lot, just above the antenna. That's a parts car. We'll throw this in with the car too as a package deal if you guys want both of them. So anyway, here we go. All right, so let's start with the obvious here. The interior. She is an automatic. I'm sorry, not automatic. She is a 5-speed manual transmission. A non-turbo engine, 126,771 miles, if that's correct. She is a December 1980 build date, serial number HS130213482, if I'm reading that right. She was built same year I was born, just on the other side of it. Interior seems to be in pretty good shape. Seats are nice. Door cards are good. And so she's pretty decent. She's a little crusty around the edges, but what car isn't that's been sitting since 1998? Everything's there, pedal box, all that jazz. Alright. I got a surprise in the trunk. I'm gonna save that for last. Got a bet going on here. Door card is very good on this side as well. Rocker's looking pretty good. She's got some surface rust issues like any old car. No radio, of course. Everything else is there. All the gauges. Well, we need a latch for the glove box, but other than that, comes with all the trash too. That's free, no charge. All right, let's get to the engine. The knob broke off, so I need my trusted toolkit here. I wish they didn't make these out of plastic back in the day. It's a real pain. Shit. Well, let's try this again. Alright, so. The hood seems pretty good. It's got a little surface rust down there, nothing major. All right, the engine is all intact. She is a non-turbo. For those of you guys getting your hopes up, she's a non-turbo engine. I don't know if the motor turns on that. I'm assuming it does. I don't know why it was parked by the previous owner. But engine wise, everything is there. Oh, looks pretty good to me. Even comes with a hornet's nest. You know, everybody loves those hornet nests out there. It's a rite of passage if you own a project car. You gotta have a hornet's nest. Alright, battery tray is crusty. So that will need to be fixed or replaced, repaired, however you want to do it. Window glass is cracked. On the parts car, window glass is pretty good, so. I'm trying to do all this in one take. Alright, let's get to the wheel wells and then the undercarriage, see what we're working with here. This is the front passenger side. Rear passenger side. Tail lights are good. Rear hatch glass is intact, but cracked. All right, rear driver's side wheel well. Some paint pillage, surface rust. Everything looks good in there as far as I can see. Shot tower look nice. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, this right here is a door seal. On the driver's side. Pretty good shape. And okay, there we go. Okay. I don't know if that's a splash pan down there or color frame or what, but she does need some work. Just assume she needs some work right there. Look at this right here. It's the driver's side front wheel well. Shot tower looks good. Pretty decent shape, all in all. Alright, let's get underneath the car. See what we're working with. Here's the floor pan on the driver's side. I ain't got a lift, so I'll get underneath there as best I can. Frame looks good as far as I can see. Frame rail. She might need a patch or two. Let's get to the passenger side. I just love getting dirty for you guys. My daily driver has white leather seats, so imagine my cleaning bill at the car wash. Oh man, I should never buy a car with white leather seats. Never buy a car with white leather seats. Not if you're any kind of a gearhead quasi mechanic. Or is this better if I put this on widescreen? A little better, I guess. Oh, I still need a little repair work underneath here. Nothing major from what I know of these cars. Which admittedly ain't much with the ZXs as far as the body goes. But it does look pretty decent right there. Alright, let's look at the front. Tow truck must have got hold of this one in the front. Yeah, front lower valence a little bent up. Let's get to the underside here, the trunk area, see what we got. Alright, gas ain't this good. Alright, so it does look pretty good right there. Alright, this section right here is rusted through, so it'll need to be replaced or gone through. Alright, now for the secret surprise I've been holding out on you guys for. Get my Michael Jackson gloves on, aka the O.J. Simpsons. Alright, here we go. This is the interior in the trunk. Now, this is how I found it. I don't know what's going on, but apparently there's a beer bottle there, which looks like it's never been opened. And a pizza box from everyone's favorite place, Pizza Hut. Now, I'm glad the wind's blowing away from me. To facilitate that, I'm going to open all this right here so the air will go away from me. Because I don't know what I'm going to find, but oh, God help me. We're going to open this pizza box. Alright, y'all in the comments, let me know what you think. Is there pizza in there? From 1998. Or is it just an empty box? And is that beer bottle full or not? Alright, y'all. To find out the answer, I'll put the video here to this at the end credits. Meanwhile, you guys let us know in the comments what you think. Take your guess. Take your guess. All right. Well, I haven't moved any of this food stuff to see what the trunk floor looks like, so I'm not going to do that. I'm assuming everything's there. Just based on the overall condition of the car, interior-wise, it's pretty nice considering. So, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and cut film here to the end credit scene. And again, this is our 1980 Datsun 280ZX. 5-speed manual transmission on turbo. We're asking $2,500 for the car. Or best offer. I'm sorry. Okay, keep turning my phone off. Anyway, we're asking $2,500 for the car. We'll do a package deal with the silver one, which we're asking $1,500 for. We'll do a package deal for both cars for $3,200. All right, so you'll see the link in the description to the silver Selling1980 ZX. $3,200 for both cars, or this baby right here for $2,500, and $1,500 for the parts car. All right, y'all, to get at us, our email is jpangt01@gmail.com. Again, that's jpangt, the number 0, the number 1, @gmail.com. And we're located here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we want to help with shipping. So, with that being said, one more walk around. This is your boy, Citizen Z, aka Scruff McGruff, because I ain't shaved in about 9 months. I will see you guys on the other side later. Okay, okay, what do you guys think? Is there pizza in here? Pizza and beer from 1998? Okay, what do you guys think? Is there pizza and beer in here from 1998? Let's find out. Wow. That is an unopened bottle of Coors Light from 1998. Look at this. Look how far it condensed down though. That's nasty. Yeah, okay, well, we'll include this with the car too. Best by July 2007. Yeah, of what year? Coors Light. Hey, Coors, you guys should send me a case of beer, man. Because this bottle's no good. Okay, here we go. 1998 pizza, y'all. You ready? Pizza Hut, you owe me a pizza, a month's worth. Oh, it's like, is it because it dehydrated? Oh! I was expecting something nasty. There's nothing in here. Pizza Hut, you owe me. You owe me. Well, there it is. Pizza Hut, baby. The little the stuff we're made of. So good, you'll actually eat it. Instead of letting it sit for 23 years. Pizza and beer, y'all. Only here on JPAN GT. All right, y'all. Hold on. What's this nastiness? Oh, okay. Nike. There you are, too. All right, y'all. Citizen Z signing out. Catch you boys on the flip side. Catch you girls in line with the rest of us. Later.